So our first question today is going to be, what got you into cancer research and in the field?
That's quite an interesting question. When I was a young kid, I had this intriguing question of what is the code of life. There has to be a code which tells us who we are. Look into the information that will give us interesting results about disease understanding. So I went into this area of what we call today genetics, which is the DNA.
So you were trying to kind of look at genetics and DNA as a code, so you understand it kind of in a way.
Exactly.
That's very interesting how you wanted to see how things work, because when you can see the core in how something works, you can more easily control it and maybe use it to help things. If somebody would like to work to prevent and fight cancer, what kind of professions do work in these labs and help you with your projects?
Good. So it's a combination of different people. Okay. So you have scientists that actually would work in the lab. Then you would have the clinicians that are taking care of patients. You would have people from the academic, which at the university, like I do. So we coordinate the whole project. Yeah? Then it depends on the project. If you have a project which is on basic research, like you want to understand the disease, then it's more science oriented. But we have also projects with international collaborators like the World Health Organization, which we look at the effect of diet on the health of the gut, the intestines, and how that relates to a specific type of cancer, like colorectal cancer.
So it's a giant team of different people. So I understood from this, you don't only work to try and find new ways and better ways and to cure, you also try to prevent. So can you tell us a bit about that?
So understanding what happens at a disease level helps us also to extrapolate that information towards trying to prevent it. Yeah? You can then eventually try to measure specific tests in which you can detect an earlier disease, which is you have better curage. There you need more sensitive techniques, and there is where technologists will come in to actually increase the sensitivity of the tests so that we can use them to prevent the disease.
And what do you mean by sensitivity of the tests?
So then you have to move on from different sources. So when from a patient you take tissues, but from individuals you can take blood. So you have to read what's happening at the tissue level in blood. So you need to have a bigger sensitivity on those tests.